Hello, this is Rutger Volkma, the team lead for the Farming Sim minigame project. I have the presentation here. I'm going to do the same thing I did last time, where I'm just going through it and then publishing it and giving it to my party, not my party, my team to submit as well. So this is the interim milestone checkpoint by Peasant Party for Farming Sim minigames. So the members consist of Amanda, who is the product owner, Liam, Rutger, Marquez, Miles, Jessica, Krista Lynn, Austin, Eli, William, and Jasper. Their roles are above their names. So some of the overall project goals, what we hope to accomplish with our project entirely is to add more competition to the party game market, specifically the product owner said to the Mario Party market. I think that hopefully this will be some sort of like good competition for main brand. Um, we also want to give students a beginner friendly project and to bring farming simulator fans into the party game genre. Our overall goals will be accomplished by the completion of the project. We've made significant progress towards a finished product. What we are currently working on is our milestone 2 goals and tasks. Sorry. For the milestone 2 goals, we have two main goals. We want to implement multiplayer for phase 1 on the minigame, and we want to add other functionality to the phases in terms of things such as placeholder assets and necessary user interface elements. Some of the stuff we hope to complete by the end of this milestone is we want some of the split screen setup for phase 1, we want the multiplayer, we want to be able to decide winner logic, which I believe we already have written down from our previous team lead. Um, we need to edit the sounds to fit in the minigame. I'll be responsible for that since I'm handling sound effects and stuff. Play seed plant sound with user input. Play phase end sound when timer hits 0. Play minigame start sound at the start of phase 1. And add bad, okay, perfect pop up after each user input. What we're currently working on, we're planning for fixing some of the bugs within the coding. We want to research watering can and animation implementation for the phase 1 to 2 transition, the milestone 2 checkup presentation, and create documentation on implementing the multiplayer. What we are currently doing is we're working on the multiplayer lobby, minigame backgrounds, minigame result crops, phase 1 timing bar. We're also just implementing the first phase in the minigame and deciding how that works while also finding some sound effects, testing the organized documents and concepts, and find minigame sound effects. What we have done is we have completed the weed asset, the phase 1 integration of assets, and the phase 1 AI. So for the artist progress, Austin has created a watering can with a hand and also the weed plucking hand. William has created some 3D models for the gardening gloves. Jasper's created some of the backgrounds, and Eli has created the plots as well as the plant assets. And he also has that little seed thing too. Some of the programming progress. What Jessica's been doing, she's been programming AI. Can't really read most of that. That's just because I don't understand programming. Miles has been I believe he's just been working on the phase 1 like programming, the slider bar and stuff. Some of the designer's been doing. Marquez has been adding the assets and stuff to Unity and the UI elements to just sort of see what it's supposed to look like. Liam has been creating this document of everything, which combines all of the documents that we've created into one. It's very organized. And I have been finding a bunch of sound effects. This isn't all of them. How do we do it? Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we hold meetings discussing what we're working on and what we're struggling with. This ensures that everyone is occupied by a task and that there aren't any blocks in the flow of work. This has created a team that communicates effectively and accomplishes tasks fairly quick.